Hello, I'm Bob, and in this video I will tell you some secret tricks to make a woman deeply addicted to you. With this knowledge in hand you will be able to make any woman run after. If you are tired of being the only one who invests in the relationship, do these 3 things and see this woman go crazy after you. But of course do what I will show you here with a real woman of value. What you will learn here you will make her deeply interested. So be careful not to use this with just any woman. Women already expect a standard behavior from men. We are humans, and as humans we follow a standard behavior. If you are an unpredictable guy, different from the others, you automatically arouse a real interest in her. They are so used to being flattered that when a man comes to them they almost know everything the guy will say. Be different, do not use the same speech as the others. Impress this woman, make her be instigated to decipher you. When a woman finds a guy who unlike the others, she is in shock, as if she had found something very rare. And of course she will strive to know more about you to come into your life. I do not know if you know what the biggest mistake that almost every man makes when you start dating a woman? Act as if she was the last woman on the face of the earth. Instead of enjoying the moment, the man is already thinking ahead, is wondering how the night will end, if she will contact the next day, what she will think of him after the date, and this causes great despair, and it is at this time that the guy starts to mess up. It is at this time that desperation begins to be evident to the woman. The guy starts talking endlessly, makes silly compliments, often even makes the woman feel pressured. The secret to winning a woman is to be calm to a little cold in the right measure is clear, not have high expectations, enjoy the moment. Think that if the night end well and if she is interested, perfect, but if things do not work out, there are many other single women out there. A large part of women think so. He should keep running after me, he should send me messages, he should make an effort to win me. If I don't talk to him he will surely come after. Of course they think this way because they know that when the guy likes them they act in a desperate way, and what you need to do is not fall into these games. Show that with you this does not work. If you want to find out what are the tricks to be a cooler guy at the time of conquest, more interesting, a guy who knows how to talk the right way, that knows how to leave a woman deeply interested, access the digital manual that I always leave here in the description of the video and the first fixed comment. You must surely already know that women love to talk and talk, and they love to talk and talk, and what they like most is to talk about themselves, and when a man shows that he is willing to listen, he has already won several points with that woman. I've heard a lot out there that when a woman starts talking all you need to do is pretend you're listening, but I disagree with this. Women know when you're fed up, when you are not interested in the subject. If you start to show a real interest in hearing what a woman has to say, you become a good listener. I'm not saying you should keep your mouth shut, but you should let the woman talk more. Just be careful. Do not let her think you are a candidate for best friend, and always make it clear that you are not looking for friendship. Now give us strength here in the channel, subscribing and leaving a like in the video. I hope you liked it, and see you next video.